This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can add a size chart onto your WooCommerce store. So when you have products that have variable sizes, let it be footwear, let it be your clothes, anything, there will be certain fits that you need to follow so that that product and the sizing matches with the customers. So this is extremely important in various cases. So we're going to see how you can add these size chart. For example, a size chart like this is important for a shoe like this, where you have sizes from 5 to 10 or 11, let's say. So these are very important for your WooCommerce store. So we will be seeing how you can add these sizes. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, as we come up with videos on WordPress and WooCommerce every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So this is the product, and this is my website. I'm going to go to my dashboard and install a plugin. So let's go to the plugin section and install a plugin. I'm clicking on add new, and let's search for a size chart plugin. Okay, so let's search this, and you will be able to see this product size chart plugin for WooCommerce. It has already 10,000 plus active installation. So I'm just going to add it and set it up for my products that I have. All right. So in order to this plugin to work, you need to set all of the sizes for the products that you want to address. So all the attributes and variations should be done. So this is the page that will be taken to, and you have to just click on to allow and continue. Plugin is installed and we are taken into the about section. So here you can go to the size chart option right here. So a dot store plugins theme post type will be available in the dashboard section. So you can navigate through that. And here we have a sample of many size charts. Like there is a men's t-shirt and polo t-shirt size chart, and all these size charts are right here. So we were looking for a footwear size chart, right? So I'm just going to go to my the men's size chart option right here. So when you click on to that, you'll be taken into the size chart option. So this is a pre given size chart, so all the size is already there, already given, and everything. So you can either edit like add this as directly and add it wherever you want, like whichever product that you want, you have you can add it. Otherwise you can just go back, and here you can see there is an option to replicate. So you can just copy this, you can just duplicate it, make a copy and add this size chart to the products. So you can change the label, you can add or if there is any changes that you have to create, you can just create a new one and then click on publish. Okay, so right now we are going to create a new size chart. So I'm going to create a new size chart right here. I'm going to click on add new. So a new size chart can be created right here. So I'm going to add a shoe size chart. So here that's the shoe size. So either you can just add a chart right here, like this chart. You can this chart that you can just copy and paste it on your page, chart page. Otherwise what you can do is you can create a custom table. So if you have a custom sizing that you are following, let's say you have the width or length or anything that has been followed differently, you can use a custom table for that as well. So here first you can have a label, you can add the categories for which this should be appearing. So here I'm going to make a shoe size chart, right? So I'm going to add shoes. So if there is anything else that also you can add it. Then also if there is any tags that you want to add, so all of these tags or attributes according to this size chart will be appearing into that particular product. So I choose shoes. So all the categories all the shoes that include in this category will be having this chart, right? So also you can choose the position of the chart. So either it can be a new tab, you pop-up tab, or a model pop-up. You can use that. So I'm going to click on the additional pop-up, and you can choose the style and everything, whichever style that fits for you. So here I'll be showing how you can add a size table right here. So what you have to do is you have to click on to the number of rows and columns that you want in your chart. All right, so if I am just referring to this, I want this label and then UK size and the EU size. So these are the three tables, and also there are like 6 or 7 columns, rows, 3 columns and 6 rows. So I'm just going to add all of this. So first one would be label size. All right, then next one will be UK. Then I'm going to add US. So if you want to add another table, that's also fine. I'm going to add 5 right here, 6, 7. So let me just finish it and get back. So I've added all of the entries to your chart, so you can just plus and minus if you don't want or anything. So also this is my chart, and if you want to add any content like here, let's say men's shoe size, and that will be done, and I'm just going to click on to the publish option right here. All right, so this will be published and this will be available in this right here where the shoe size is there. So since we have already added to the shoes category, it must be here. So if I am just clicking on refresh, so here in the product page, you will be able to see an additional section called the size chart. So if I just click it right here, all the size that I have just mentioned is right here. All right, so this is the size chart that we have added. So you can make the changes of how you want your size chart to be appearing. So here it's given in the additional tab. So if you want it as a pop-up, you can just click on to the edit, and we had an option of creating a model pop-up. So if I just update this and update it right here in this page, here you will be able to see a size chart right next to this, and if I just click onto it, a new pop-up will be appearing. So this one way, and then if you want to make changes to the style, let's say I can just update this, and here the size of the style is also changed right now. So you can choose a variation that you want, however you want, you can choose it. So if you have multiple products, multiple categories, and multiple size options available, categories wise assigning won't be enough. So for that you can just go to the products. So whichever product that you want, you can go below right here, and here you will be able to see the size charts. So you can choose whichever size charts that you want. So if I just write size, you can just search for the size. All of the size charts are already mentioned, which are pre-given by this plugin, and also by the like by us, whichever we enter is also available. By default, I have it's given as shoe size that I have just created. Otherwise, you can go for the men's size chart, and you can just click on to the update. So when it's updated, you can just view the products and see that there is a new size chart. This is pre-given by this plugin. So this size chart will also be appearing. So this is a very easy plugin and also a free plugin that you can use to add size chart for your website. So what you have to do is you have to assign your variables or variations to your products, add this plugin, style it, add the content, add the variations, add the size variations, and just add it in your website. So that's how you can add a size chart to your website. This is as simple as it gets. And we'll see another video. Bye.